Okay, so here's a good selection of FOILs. Here we go. Right. First, x times x. That's your classic x squared. Okay. Right, the outer x times 3 is 3x. The inner, the 5 times x, is the 5x. And the last 5 times 3 is 15. Okay? Now all you're going to do is just combine the middle two terms into 8x. So x squared plus 8x plus 15. Okay? So don't forget to do that. Now, let's look at some more with different signs. Again, x times x is x squared. X times positive 2 is positive 2x. Okay? Now be careful for this one. Negative 7 times x is negative 7x. Okay? Just get this sorted out. And finally, negative 7 times positive 2 is negative 14. So this time you'll combine these. Think about it. 2x take away 7x is negative 5x. So I'll just quickly write this underneath. X squared, because that's still the first term, minus 5x, because that's the combination of the second and the third term, minus 14. Okay, that's that one. How about this one? Same thing. X times x, x squared. X times negative 3, negative 3x. Negative 6 times x, negative 6x. Now careful, last one. What's negative 6 times negative 3? That's positive 18. Okay? Positive 18. So again, the middle one will go to negative 3x, negative 6x, negative 9x. So x squared minus 9x plus 18. Okay? Right. Possibly a trick one. X times x, x squared. The outer, x times 5, is 5x. The inner, negative 5 times x, is negative 5x. And the last, what's negative 5 times positive 5? That's negative 25. Okay? Now I will kind of finish this one off because look, 5x, take away 5x, has gone. The answer is just x squared minus 25. I want to remember that for later on when we're doing some factoring. Okay? There you go. No x's in the middle. Okay, now then, a big mistake that a lot of people do is look at this x plus 5 all squared at the bottom. A lot of people just think they have to square the x and write x squared, square the 5 and write 25, and they think they've finished. No. Big mistake. Even college algebra students. No. Okay? Look, an x plus 5 squared is an x plus 5 times another x plus 5. People miss out the oi bit. They do the first, do the last. What about the oi? The outer and the inner. Look, x times x, x squared. The outer, x times 5, 5 times x is 5x. The inner, look, is also 5x. And the last, 5 times 5, well there's your 25 of course. 25, okay, 25, squeeze it in. So what people have missed out is, you've missed out the 10x. The actual answer is x squared plus 10x, 5x and 5x, plus 25. Okay? Not just x squared plus 25, x squared plus 10x plus 25. Okay, that's a nice big series of FOILs, okay, multiplying binomials.